Alright guys, good morning everyone. So today I will be doing a little bit of vlogging today, just to see how it goes on YouTube, because I realize that you guys love the vlogging and the family fun videos and those reaction videos, those videos that I'm more likely talking and expressing myself and just having fun. So I'm going to start doing a bit of vlogging, a day in the life of a teacher, etc, etc. So I'm gonna see how those videos work, because most of you guys are not commenting and telling me what you think about the video, so I'll have to be guessing and uploading what I feel you guys want to watch. I'm gonna continue doing that until I see which one is best to start uploading, or probably even start a different channel with the videos that you guys do like. For those who like the C-set videos, I'll upload it on one channel, and those who like the vlogging, I'll probably upload it on another channel. What I'll be doing today is, 1, I am going to get some money to pay for my packages. 2, go to collect the packages. 3, come back, drop off my packages, and then go back, get some groceries for next week. But we see how that goes. Alright, so I'm gonna knock off number 1, which is to get some funds to pay for the packages that I'm going to collect. Alright, so this is it. See, regular blouse, and picture a normal jeans pant, a normal dark jeans pant with the market bag. That's it. Arts work fly. Guys, I'm in the bank line waiting. Got the funds, now I'm heading to the place. The place is called BNB.
You understand me? And then I see it down.
Alright guys, I'm finally here. I was trying not to get anyone in the camera, so I'm finally here. The place that I pick up my package is called BNB. Hi. You good? The young man that you see there is a past student, and he's also a subscriber. He was about third in the line, and he gave me his spot. Somehow he ended up leaving. I was about 20 something in the line, so I just want to tell him thank you. As I was saying, I was trying not to get anyone in the camera. Oh Lord, there's a lot of noise going on. By the way, I just met one of my past students. One of my past students, he got a range 2 in visual arts. So as I was saying, if you need assistance, if you need anything regarding visual arts, if you need anything regarding visual arts, I can assist. Range 2. Oh Lord, but this man not up next. Alright, he finally parked now. I pick up my package. Is called BNB. My experience here at BNB, I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit more on that. It's now 9:35, 6 thereabout, and the place opens at 10. I had called them yesterday and asked them about the line, because in December and November there was a consistent long line that that kept on happening, and I called them and asked them if the long line is still there or it's just for the Christmas rush. The lady said that it was just for the Christmas rush. When I came, I was so surprised that a lot of persons are still here waiting. It's not much like the last time, but it's still a lot. Not too far in the line, I guess. I am probably the second to last, but the line is not too long. Yes, I'm just waiting on the package. When I collect the package, I'm going to show you. And remember to stay tuned for the haul. You're going to see everything that I bought online. So stay tuned for that. I think I'm going to put that in a different video, because this vlog is going to be extremely long, so stay tuned for that. I usually pick up my package from a place called MAILPAC. I was going to tell you guys a story, but I decided to save it for another video. So what had happened, I will not be going back there. The prices are way too high. It's cheaper at BNB. Things that I bought from Temu is like $1, basically under $15. Anytime you pass $10, I worry. So most of the things that I buy is under $10, and I can get a lot of things for under $100 and still pay a small price here at BNB. But when I go to the other place, my Jesus, take the wheel, the price high like a what. So I decided to change and come to BNB. Now my experience here is, I think guys, it was like a culture shock because I was so used to MAILPAC and that excellent service and so forth. And when I came to BNB, I was like, what is this? Everybody seemed like they're just all over the place. Everybody seemed so sad. The customer service was not on par. A young lady was there chewing gum and asking me questions and popping the bubble gum and behaving as if she's nonchalant, like she don't care. So it was a bit of culture shock. Then when I asked a guy there questions, it seemed like he didn't want to answer me, and then everybody was just all over the place, and it was so busy. It was like, I'm like, what is this? I don't think I'm coming back. But then when I see the price of what I paid to collect my package, I said, this is it. No matter the customer service, I'm coming back. So that is the experience between changing the courier service from MAILPAC to BNB. If you want a courier service, you can try BNB, or you can compare. Your experience might be different from mine. You can always compare and see which one you like best. Anyways guys, I'm still waiting. I still have about 15 more minutes until the place opens, plus I'm in the long line, so that's another thing too. I will show you guys when I get the package. Alright, I don't think I'm gonna video anything else right now because I don't want anybody in the video. It's 4 packages and I don't know if it's heavy or if it's big or if I can manage, but I would have to manage because I didn't plan to call any driver or anything like that. But needs be, probably I would have to call a driver later. Bye. Alright guys, what I'm going to do now, I am going to head home. As you can see, the packages are extremely big, and as soon as I head home, I'm going to do the video of the haul because I really want to see if I got everything and if I should return. But I think I have everything, so let's head home. Alright guys, I'm back with another one. You might hear noise in the background, but nevertheless, let's begin. So I have another team package here. If you haven't watched the vlog of me collecting these packages, go ahead and watch that one, and then you can come back to this video, or you can just watch this video and then you go ahead and watch the vlogs. Alright guys, you probably can't see me, but I'm back on the road. So as I mentioned, I dropped off the package and now I'm going back on the road to do the grocery shopping. If you want to see what was in the packages, just go ahead and look at the Temu haul that I made. I will probably link it down below, so if you want to see that, just click the link below and see what was in the package that I collected. So I'm going to continue with the vlog. So I'm going back to get the groceries and come back, and after the groceries, I'm not sure if I will do a haul, but you'll probably see what that I'm buying. I'm not buying much because we don't need much this week. See you in the supermarket. Guys, I'm in the supermarket. I'm gonna show you the tripod that I have, but this tripod is not working. I'm kind of seeing, apart from tripod, I'm kind of seeing little splits in the video. I don't know why I'm seeing the splits. Hopefully it doesn't show on camera. Probably it's the light, I'm not sure. I already picked up a few things, and I'm gonna show you a bit of what I have so far. But should I do it now or later? I'm not sure, because this tripod, I thought it would have hold my phone, but it's not holding. Look, but let me try something. I would have to get another tripod, so I'm gonna show you the tripod that I bought. I haven't left a review as yet on any of the things that I bought, because I haven't gotten the chance to kind of work them. But now that I'm putting them to do their job, it's not doing their job. So the tripod that I have, I'm going to show you this imitation of the Gorilla tripod. So I'm going to turn around the camera, which one I have. So it's this one here. It's not holding the phone. Usually it does, but I'm not sure what is happening now. It's not holding the phone. I'm gonna do my best to show. Alright, I'm gonna do my best to show you the things that I bought, because I will not be doing a grocery haul. Alright guys, so these are the snacks that I usually buy for my kids. Now these right here is what my husband like. This one right here, I have some eggs here. My kids really like this, and as I said, my kids are very picky. These are the crackers that I like. These are the type of bun that I buy, and the bag ugly. For the bag are ugly. They had a different bag. I'm gonna show you how it usually look, but this is what they have now. They changed the packaging. What do you think, guys? The writing is better though. And I buy this for my son. My son really likes this, my daughter does not. My daughter loves this one here. My son loves this one and this one. What else? So those are the only two things that I picked up, and I buy bread. Usually I like wheat bread, but now that I'm married, my husband only likes this one, and I'm the only one eating the wheat bread, so I decided to just change to the white bread. And the biscuit, and that's it. So those are all the snacks that I buy for my children, and then I have the egg and the bread. I haven't done shopping as yet. As I was saying, I was trying to set up the camera on here, but it's not working. So yeah, this is not worth it's worth the price because it was cheap. It was on Temu that I bought this one. That's what he paid for, I guess. I'm gonna continue with the grocery shopping, but as I said, when I reach up and I put down those bags, guys, that will be the end of the video. Never lost the title. Alright, usually I buy 6 of these. As I said, I don't want much things this week. Few more stuff. So I buy that one. Original. Whenever I have another huge haul, I will tell you, because usually I have stuff overflowing in the cart, but not this week. I'm trying to cut back on everything. What? You're good. Good man. Alright, so guys, I'm going to check in the refrigerator here to see if I need anything else. I'm kind of good on the frozen item. So this is the fridge. I'm kind of good on everything here. Nuggets, that. But I kind of just double check to ensure. Oh yes, I need chicken. Guys, I'm kind of cutting off on the cheese. So usually I buy these cheese, but now I'm trying to cut down. I'm getting a bit too fat. Whenever I'm getting fat, I feel it in my face. So that indicates to me no more cheese. So I'm not going to buy any cheese this week. Cutting down at least for 5 months so I can get back on track with my weight. Yeah, so only thing I want now is some veg. So I'm gonna see if I get any bag to put them in. Alright, so I got the bag. And usually I just buy things for the week because I don't cook as often. I just don't cook as often because I don't have the time to cook and they're out of skillion and time. I will do like a rundown of my week. Yeah, so by the time I come back from work it's after 5 and then I have classes after that, so I don't have much time to cook. Just to quickly prepare something in the week and that's it. I don't have any time for that. I'm kind of good on the onion, the garlic, peas. I'm kind of good on the peas also. Yeah, so I'm going to get a number and then I'm going to get the chicken. Alright, so they are 10 and I'm number 12. This guys, I'm waiting on the chicken now. Alright guys, so I decided to get the onion because I'm not too sure if I have at home, you know. So I decided to get the onion just to make sure. It's just 2 onions and then I'm picking up the milk. Because I think I have milk at home already. So now the next thing I need is the cornflakes. Now usually I buy this one here, the biggest one because it's for the week. And usually I buy another one but I don't see it. So usually I buy this one, Swiss Miss. So usually I buy this one. So I'm just gonna take off 6 of them. As I said, it's not much this time around. I'm going around the other section. Cheese. So I usually get these kinds because they last a bit longer rather than this one here. I don't know why. Probably is how much I use, but I think these last a bit longer. So this is 100 and this is what? Oh, this is 100 too. Then I buy 2 Maltas, one for my husband and one for me. Usually I don't get the kids anything, they prefer water, so I would not be buying any juice for my children. I'm just gonna pick up the 2 Malta and probably that's it for grocery shopping. Hopefully I would have to check back the list. I left the list on the table, so no, I don't remember exactly what I want because you guys were distracting me because I could have done grocery shopping long time ago. So I'm just gonna go around and see if I missed anything and then come back. Alright guys, I did miss out a few things. I'm gonna show you what else I buy at the supermarket. Alright, so I buy this for my daughter. Running out of pancake. My children love the pancakes. My son like this. I still use wipes after all these years. I still buy wipes for my children. So I left out this, this one. So those are the things that I left out. So that is all the groceries that I buy for this week. That is it for the day. So guys, I will see you in the next one. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.